Harper, what do you think?
Rock.
Yeah, it's a big rock. And look at the water.
That looks so beautiful. Like that's out of a catalog right there.
Yeah, we're going swimming, swimming, swimming. We're going swimming, dance. Woo!
What do you got?
We got swimming.
You got swimming?
I got swimming.
Oh my goodness.
You want me to do a cannonball?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a cannonball. Cannonball.
I love it.
Why can't it be really warm so we can jump in right now? Look how gorgeous that is. Woo! You coming? Ready, jump. Woo! Look at you, brave girl. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that water is. These rocks are pretty. Look at him getting all serious over there. Woo! You see Swiper the fox? Harper sees Swiper.
Uh-oh.
What do you say to Swiper?
Say, swipe for no swiping. Look how clear that water is, man.
It's gorgeous.
Trying to jump in it.
And jump! Yeehaw! Come on. Let's go catch up with Brody and Clayton. Good job, big girl. Big rocks. So we are out in Snoqualmie going on a hike. It is a rainy day. Most of our adventures will probably be like this now. Because it's rainy and cloudy. And Harper's getting good at this climbing stuff. Come on, this way. I'm trying to let her do it by herself so she doesn't get so dependent on mommy. Oh, this is pretty. So much for Miss Independent here. Huh. We lost Daddy again. He's taking more pictures. There's Miss Elsie. Now she's happy again. Careful, Harper. Harper, you're doing so good down this rocky trail. And look at that. We're almost there. Harper, you did so good climbing down those rocks. Someone's a little traumatized, so she's taking a break. I think she's more upset about her muddy shoes than she is anything. Harper, you gotta leave your shoes on. Here, do you want mommy to wash them off over by the river? Okay, let's go over by the water and we can try and wash them off. There we go. Let's go see the pretty waterfall. Look how gorgeous that is. That is so pretty. Oh, Elsie's jumping up and down. Look how gorgeous that fog is. And trees. Look at my cute girl. Elsie? Is it pretty? Hey, Daddy.
Hey,
It's really pretty down here.
it's gorgeous.
Let's go over by the water. Look at the cool water. Is that so cool?
Look at this ocean.
Your hair looks so pretty in the wind. Look how gorgeous that is. Pretty water. Hey. Look at her pretty hair. Oh, that is so cool.
Oh, they're not gonna be able to see it. Look at the fog coming in.
I know, it looks awesome. Look at that good little climber.
Yes, yes, there is.
She's getting good at this.
Yeah.
Oh, we made it. We made it through the rough part. Harper, good job, sweetie. You want to pet the squirrel? Hey, Daddy, what do you think about getting a pet squirrel?
I think that's a bad idea. I think a gerbil could pass as a squirrel. Yeah, we could do that.
You want to get a
Or
pet
a guinea
gerbil?
pig. A bunny.
I would love to get a bunny.
Smell really bad.
Grandma had a bunny.
That's a bad idea. Parrots do smell bad.
I would love to get a bunny.
They're kind of unintelligent.
I name it Bunny.
Get a bunny and name it Bunny.
You can grow out its hair and dye it pink.
That would be awesome. Ooh, Harper. Whoa, whoa,
Okay, Harper?
whoa. All right, let's go. We got to catch up to everybody. And jump. All right, good job. Uh-oh, where's Elsie? Where is Elsie? I don't see her. I don't see her. Huh? You're silly.
No.
You are too funny.
No. What's that?
Elsie, what do you think of your silly sister?
No. No.
All right, Elsie, are all your animals ready for bed? Are they ready? Harper. Oh, you got Beauty.
Baby Beauty. Hello.
Baby Beauty.
Oh, your baby email.
Hello, my Miss O. Harper Booth, what are you doing?
And it doesn't come off.
Oh, Elsa's dress came off.
As a kid.
Oh dear. The girls' Halloween costumes came and Harper cannot take hers off. She's being silly.
Well, she can take it off. She won't.
She refuses. She wants to wear it every second she can.
Hi, boo.
It's a Harper boob.
Here she comes.
I think she's very happy that Daddy's here
Comes.
tonight.
Oh, so she can climb all over the place.
Yeah, she likes to climb on the Daddy.
Oh, she's gonna jump down.
Uh-oh. She's gonna be wild.
Ooh.
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 Woo! Harper, how do you still have energy?
Say,
Take a picture.
You want to take a picture?
Take a picture. I want to take a picture too.
Good job.
Move your hand off the lens.
Cheese. What are you recording? Friends.
Well, Harper just took a very cute picture of herself, huh, Harper? We're gonna have to include that so you guys can see the way Harper likes to take pictures, because it's very cute.
Come here.
It's time for books, silly.
Step for books. Come here, my little
goodness.
boo. Yeah. Down by the river, Rusty saw Fluff and Rags.
All right, so we've got the books all read. We ready for bed? Daddy just came up with that in his head. Triple rhyme. What's up?
Harper, are you gonna sleep in your booth costume?
Okay.
We gotta take it off. No. Okay. All right.
All right.
Tell the everyone say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Harper, can you say good night, everybody?
Good night, everybody.
Say good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Good night, everybody.
Bye.